Well, good morning, everybody. I'm out here doing another garden video. I haven't done one in a while. It's been raining on and off. But my video today is about patience and perseverance and learning experiences. Now, I am a first-year gardener. This is my first year, as you see my garden. But what I wanted to tell you is, even though a lot of people say they stop, they garden and they start and they begin because they get frustrated when they first started out because they haven't harvested anything or everything hasn't popped out, or they didn't receive any produce, or so they just quit and they give up. Well, I don't give up very easily. So I'm out here this morning before it starts to rain. It is what it is at this point. But what I'm doing today, what I've decided to do, I tried to grow so many things and they said that is a no-no. But to me, it was a yes, because it taught me what I can and cannot grow and how to grow it and what to do and what not to do. So a lot of people say, well, you go out and you buy a bunch of seeds and you plant a bunch of stuff and, you should start off small. Well, I didn't start off small. I started off trying out everything. Now, some people's like, well, that's a waste. Well, it wasn't a waste to me because now I'm having an opportunity to learn, okay, this is what I need to do if I want this to try this again and grow this again and have this type of produce again. Even though, like with my greens, I've learned, a lot of people say you shouldn't plant them until the fall, which I'm learning. And I'm also learning that, you can't, I try to grow them in these raised beds and it's just not working. So what I decided to do, I'm going to let it flow out, because sometimes people say it comes back you'll get some in the fall. So hopefully I'll get a little something in the fall. I did get a little bit of greens and a little bit of certain lettuces, but it just didn't come out the way I wanted to. But what I've learned is, like out here this morning before it starts to rain, I'm taking inventory of everything. I'm just out here looking around. So what I've done is I said, well, let me organize. Let me take a look. It's August. I started this in the beginning of the summer. I think I started in like late spring. So let me take a look at what I have out here and what I should be doing and what I shouldn't do. So in case I want to continue, because I plan on continuing my gardening process. I really enjoy it, and I think that everybody should attempt to grow their own or grow something. So I'm taking inventory, looking around, and learning. I said, well, I got this I've gotten this raised garden tower here. So I'm noticing, you know what, next year we're going to just do this for herbs. My zucchini seems to do okay in it. So I said, well, next year, it won't be a mix. I'm going to stick to one thing, or just do my herbs and maybe do some zucchini. It'd be just for zucchini and herbs, and maybe some green onions or scallions or something like that. Something that I know that's producing very well. So, and then I see some things that I'm not producing at all. So I said, well, you know what? Maybe I won't try that next year. Or maybe if I do try it, I'll try it in a different way. Or maybe I'll just try to dig a little garden in the ground and do a little ground gardening. Or like with my potatoes, this is my potatoes over here. So what I'm noticing, as you guys, I'm composting with eggshells. I do eggs and egg compost and stuff like that. So I do compost and stuff. But when I was learning with my potatoes is I, get a bigger bag, and like certain things I don't come out to certain times of the year. And like with my strawberries, they didn't produce this year, even though they leaved up. The bugs got them and they didn't produce. So I'm learning, maybe I shouldn't. I'm going to pull my strawberries out. But it's still a learning process. Everything that you grow is a learning process. So if you're a beginning gardener, don't get discouraged. I'm not discouraged. Don't throw in the towel and say, well, next year I'm not going to get it. I'm just not going to try it. Just take your experience as a learning process that first year, what to grow, what not to grow, how to organize your stuff, and just don't give up, and grow something. So until next time, hold on, guys. Let me tell you guys goodbye, because you know I ain't good at this. Hold on. So until next time, guys, get out and grow something. Don't give up. Keep patience. Keep perseverance. Just don't give up. If you want to decide to garden for yourself, don't give up. The first year, I've joined a lot of gardening groups and on Facebook, and a lot of people say that is really, these groups, Facebook, you don't have to always use it. It ain't always for the bad. It can be for the good. I've joined a lot of groups and gotten a lot of opinions and a lot of knowledge. So a lot of people say, well, sometimes you just got to keep it going. 1 year, you're just going to have that good year. So I have faith that even though everything didn't grow the way I wanted it to, and I did try a lot of stuff, that I have faith that, we still have to the end of the fall, that some of this stuff will pop out. Then I have faith that once I start next year, it'll be a new year and it'll be a new beginning. And what I've learned from this year, I can take from next year. And I have faith that I will have a successful garden, if not this year, but next year and years to come. So until next time, peace, have a good day, and get out and grow something.